Kitty driving on the bus. Funny riders making fuss. Pot of conch here and bumper there. Crazy chaos everywhere. Riding on a bus, go, go, go. But something's wrong, you know. No! 5 funny riders riding on a bus. The one jumped up and made a fuss. Jump, crack! Went the bus front light. Kitty called the owl in the night. Wolf said, sit down, please. No more jumping on the seats. 4 funny riders riding on a bus. Monkey danced and shook the bus. Boom, boom, wheel went flat. Kitty said, what was that? Kitty called the tiger right away. Tiger said, drive slow today. 3 funny riders riding on a bus. Bunny spilled juice all on us. Splish, splash, splash. Floor got wet. Slippery bus, you bet. Kitty called the panda bear. Panda said, cleat everywhere. 2 funny riders riding on a bus. Filthy barked and startled us. Honk, honk, horn got stuck. Loudest bus, what bad luck. Kitty called the parrot then. Parrot said, quiet again. 1 funny rider riding on a bus. Bear rolled down and crashed with bus. Door flew wide. Kitty said, hold on tight. Kitty called the bunny once more. Bunny said, fix the door. All funny riders fix the bus. No more chaos, no more fuss. Wheels go round and lights now glow. Kitty says, now let's go, Coco. Riding on a bus, smooth and slow. Happy riders steal the show. Dino roars but not so strong. Something feels totally wrong. Crack, crack in his teeth today. Oh no, 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 what's the way? Help, 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 what to do? Dentist Kitty is coming through. Dino opens mouth so wide. Ouch, 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 he cannot hide. No crunchy food, no happy bite wet. Even grass feels not right. He shakes his head. I feel pain. Big dinosaur eyes might tell the day. Teeth are hurting very slow. Dental beep, beep, beep. Titi arrives with happy lip wreck. White coat on tiny chair. Not worry, Dino, I'll take care. She checks the teeth one by one. This problem will soon be gone. Kitty, Kitty, on the way. Fixing teeth today. Brush, 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 shiny clean. Now he feels strong, bone smooth. Kitty gives magic mint glow. Now your smile can really show. Brush, 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 all okay. Fixing teeth today. Dino tries one crunchy bite. A wow, it feels just right. He jumps, he roars, he plays again. No more pain, no more pain. Kitty claps, mission done. Lick smiles like rising sun. Crunch, 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 happy now. Shows no strong, shows you how. Big bright smiles they cannot hide. Toothbrush shines, sparkle glow. Healthy teeth now ready to go. Oh no, no, turn to yay. Save the teeth today. So smiles loud and free. Best dentist ever, yay! Hey! 5 skeletons were stealing eggs at night. They grabbed the eggs and ran out of sight. But Kitty woke up with glowing eyes. Hey, stop right there! She shouted in surprise. One got caught, poof, he's gone. Hit the rest went fast before the dawn. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, hi, no more skeletons. around. Kitty said, "This is not your place." They ran away in a silly chase. Inspector came and clearly said, "How are ya? No more stealing eggs tonight." Two skeletons came super slow. But Kitty said, "No, no, no." One got scared and ran away fast. The other didn't even last. No. Inspector arrived with warning light. Keep the eggs safe every night. One skeleton was stealing eggs alone, but Kitty was strong like stone. He saw her and started to flee. "No more eggs for me, I'm free." Kitty didn't even need to chase. Peace returned to Kitty's place. Inspector came and closed the case. All eggs safe, no more race. Eggs are safe, the farm is fine. Kitty did an awesome shine within, with happy meows and morning lights. No more stealing eggs
Almost got 'em all.
tonight.
Into the basket.
Zaidi, iron train! Wow! Oh, it's 5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. Chuck, 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 going through the rain. Here, har, here, and stomp, stomp there. Dino chaos everywhere. Riding on a train. Choo, choo, choo. Kitty driving fast, you know. 5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One slipped down and bumped his brain. Kitty called the owl, and the owl then said, "No more dinos jumping on the train." Riding on a train. Riding on a train. 4 little dinosaurs. 4 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One went wild and broke the chain. Kitty called the monkey, and the monkey then said, "Stop the dino shaking the train." Choo choo train. Funny dino train. 3 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One got stuck in candy the train. Kitty called the panda, and the panda then said, "No more candy on the train." Riding on a train. Sticky train. Riding on a train. 2 little dinosaurs. Little dinosaurs riding on a train. One pulled lever once again. No, Kitty called the bunder, and the bunny then said, "Slow that crazy train right now. Fast, fast train. Crazy, crazy train." One little dinosaurs riding on a train. He sneezed loud and cracked the pane. No, Kitty called the bunny, and the bunny then said, "Dino train is working well." Riding on a train. Riding on a train. Happy dinos steal the show. 5 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Skeleton mummy making lots of fuss. One stood up and bumped his head. Say, Kitty called the owl, and the owl then said, "No more spooky riding on the bus."
Riding on a bus.
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 4 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Zombie skeleton causing crazy fuss. One slipped out and broke the wheel. The Kitty called the Dino, and Dino then said, "Stop the spooky ride on the bus."
Riding on a bus.
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 3 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Mummy witch making lots of fuss. Witch did magic, oops, too fast. Her window flew off and didn't last. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost then said, "No more magic on the bus."
Riding on a bus.
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 2 spooky riders were riding riding on a bus. Dracula, zombie, scary little fuss. Dracula laughed and scared the lights. Kitty called the bear and bear then said, "Babe, stop the spooky ride tonight."
Riding on a bus.
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 One spooky rider was riding on a bus. Skeleton crying, feeling big fuss. He jumped too hard and broke the seat. Kitty called the witch and witch then said, "Great! Fix the bus? Fix it fast!"
Riding on a bus.
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 They fixed the bus. Riding on a bus. All spooky riders back again. Kitty smiles and says, "Today, let's all ride in a happy way." Lee, ha!
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
Oh, that's some magic. Oh,
There's Farmer Kitty on the farm today. But something strange in a funny way. Dark Kitty on the farm to eBay. Something strange in a funny way. Not the cows, not the sheep. Kitty is eating everything she sees.
Oh, no, no, no. What is this?
Farmer Kitty gone wild like this. Cow says moo is my head. Kitty comes yummy. Okay. Biff crunch crunch crunch. Hay is gone. Cow looks shocked.
Mood is wrong.
Kitty smiles.
Still hungry more.
She eats the bucket. Eats the floor. Crunch 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 crunch.
E-I-E-I-O.
Kitty eats fast. Oh no no no. Kid says, "Wink, my food is here." Kitty shouts,
Oh, yes. Cheer.
"Bit burgers, apples, one big bite." Everything disappears in sight.
My food is gone.
Kitty burps,
Carry on.
Oink, 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 oink.
"Yi-yi-o!" Kitty eats it all, you know. Rooster shouts, "Hock-hock-a-doodle-dee." Kitty says,
I'll eat that too.
"Seeds, grains, crunch, crunch fast. Nothing lasts."
Nothing lasts.
Rooster cries,
What is this?
Kitty says,
Delicious bliss.
"Cock-a-doodle, yi-yi-o!" Kitty eats fast, don't you know? Sheep says, "Papa, grass is mine." Kitty says,
Looks so fine.
"Pick grass one, whole field clean." Sheep says, "This is not mean." Kitty rolls,
Yummy, yummy.
farm is now an empty tummy. Ba ba ba.
E-I-E-I-O.
Kitty eats it all, you know. Now the farm is empty land. Animals looking very sad. Kitty suddenly stops and sees. Oh no, I ate everything. She rubs her belly slow. Maybe I should stop. You know.